The new Google Pixel 9a is an affordable option for Pixel fans that's packed with cool features and will last you ages. So let's take a look at what it can do. Now, getting everyone in one photo can be hard work, especially if you need to choose a photographer. With Add Me, you can take two photos and the phone will merge them together, so it looks like everyone was there at the same time. No more having to hand your phone over to a stranger to take the photo. The Pixel 9a is super durable. Its IP68 water and dust protection means it won't get damaged if you spill anything on it or if you take it outside in the rain. It's also made of tough, long-lasting materials that can withstand bumps and scrapes, including a scratch-resistant display. Google's personal assistant Gemini can save you loads of time. It can update your calendar, check your emails, and loads more, working across all of your most used Google apps. So you can use your voice to complete loads of tasks and get information up instantly. Just press and hold the power button on the side and Gemini will automatically launch. Gemini, give me directions to work and play my driving playlist.
Okay, I have found directions to work. The route is 64.3 miles and will take approximately 1 hour and 34 minutes.
If you'd like to find out more information about the Google Pixel 9a, you can visit us in-store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.